10 minus 5 equals 5. And here we have 7 minus 5, which equals 2. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 7 gives us 35. So 10 minus 35, then minus 5. Now we have to do this subtraction. 10 minus 35 is just negative 25. Then minus 5, which equals negative 30. And this is our final answer to this problem.